It's so windy. I don't know why my camera should do that. I wrapped up all the wind chimes except for that one because that one's very quiet. I'm gonna have to change out this one's middle again because now the middle is starting to like fall apart, and now it's like has almost no sound. Yeah, it's like literally almost nothing, like barely. It's only you can only hear it when the chimes hit together. So I'm gonna have to get a better middle for that one. Yeah, I brought this one down here for the moment. I put it on the shepherd's hook to see what it would, and just to see, or like hear what it would sound like if it was out here. That was kind of calm. Oh, there comes a huge gust. Real gust. Oh, now that's a huge gust. A little bit of the way, but yeah. Okay, I think my thing's still a little bit zoomed in. There. Here it comes. Huge gust. Put that one up there as well. Uh-oh. Something's happened. Oh.